Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now today I have a really incredible method that'll allow you to make a lot of money instantly every single day. And this is something that's super easy to do. It doesn't take much work on your part. You're pretty much just clicking a button and you're making a whole lot of money. But before I continue, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing you how to massively grow your income online and at home, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Alright, so what I want to show you guys today is this website and this program actually that's called Scribble. And you can see it here on my screen right now. And basically what it does is that it'll generate ebooks for you, whole entire books, quickly and easily without any effort on your part. And you can see here it says create amazing ebooks and reports in 5 minutes without typing a word. Now I'll get into how they do that later, but you may be wondering how can you actually make money by selling ebooks, and I will show you that right now actually. So you might have heard of Fiverr before, and it's a very popular freelance website where people can sell skills and different products to people that actually want to buy this. And I've actually featured this on my channel before, so you've definitely heard about it. But now what I want to show you is how you can actually make money by selling ebooks. So if you go into the search bar and you put in ebook writer, you'll see that there's some people here that will be looking for people that will write ebooks for them. And you can see that there's someone here that says they'll be your best-selling ebook writer or ghostwriter, and they're starting at $50 and they've sold 5 already. Or you can see here, I'll be your health, fitness, and nutrition ebook writer. They're starting at $40. They've sold 20. So this person will write an ebook on any topic. They've sold 2, and they have sold them for $300 a piece. So you can see here that they've made a lot of money. But you can also see that there's a lot of competition because Fiverr is a very popular website. So it's very well known, which means that it might be hard for you to get sales, hard for you to promote your product because there's just so many people. It's kind of oversaturated, right? But there's this other website that's lesser known, and you'll be able to make a lot more sales a lot more easily because there's just less competition. And when there's less competition, that means that you're more visible to people that are looking to buy your product. So there's this website, and it's over here on the top. I'll also put this in my description so that you'll be able to find it pretty easily. It's called peopleperhour.com. And when you go to this website, you can see here that they have a lot fewer offers. So if I put in ebook writing, there's only 85 offers found, which means that you're much more visible to other prospective buyers. And you can see here that they've actually been making a lot of money too. So you can see that there's this person that's creating a professional Kindle ebook for up to 5 pages for £50. And if you translate that into US dollars, that's like, what, $70 maybe? And you can see here that they've sold 13 of them. And you can see another person here has sold 10 for £40, and they're writing a 5,000 word ebook in 5 days. Like I said, if you see at Scribble, they can write your ebook in 5 minutes. So you can even get a head start on this person and get it done faster than what they offer. You can offer maybe like a day or even 12 hours, and people will be impressed by that. There's also another person that's writing an ebook. They're selling it for £100, and they've sold 20 already. So they've made £2,000 in profit by selling their ebooks. So now you may be wondering, how does this work, and how does Scribble allow you to make ebooks so quickly? So let's go down here, and you can see that they'll explain every step of the process. So if you go up here, you can see that you'll pick a template initially, and you can choose an ebook cover. And you'll see they have very professional looking covers that you can choose from that'll catch the eye of buyers. And this will be able to improve your product and just give you more sales in general. And there's actually some people that'll buy just an ebook cover. So you even have that at your disposal. They're already pre-prepared ebook covers that you can sell to buyers. And that's just one step of the process. That's another way you can make money. Besides writing or making an ebook, you can just sell them ebook covers. So there's 2 ways you can make money, at least. There's definitely more that if you can think of them, but at least 2 ways you can make money using this program. So you can see here they have 50 eye-grabbing designs across 15 profitable niche categories, and each template actually also comes with a table of contents and a professional page layout to convert readers into buyers. So it definitely looks professional. There's a listed table of contents, just like any other book that you'll find on the Kindle store or whatever ebook provider that you'll be using. And also, there's a way to make ebooks too, like I said, and this is their step 2. So it says here you can fill your ebook with a selection of 1,000 instant niche articles from their built-in content engine at a push of a single button. So you don't have to do any work. They have 1,000 already pre-prepared articles that they'll make ebooks from. So you can choose a topic. Let's say you wanted health, and you can get an article that will be related to health, and they'll make an ebook from that article. And it's all in their own words, so it's very, very easy and simple to use. Another way you can do it is to add instant content, and it says here that you'll just enter a URL. So let's just say you wanted to find an article on making money fast, and you wanted to make an ebook that's related to that. So you'll look up online how to make money, you'll find an article on that, and then you'll enter the URL of that article into Scribble, and Scribble will take all the words in that article and create an ebook that makes logical sense out of that article. And it says here that they'll automatically fill your pages with fresh and ready-made content. It's that easy. You literally just find an article, copy the URL, paste it in, and you get your ebook. And this is an ebook that you can sell, like I said, on Fiverr for, let's say, $275, or on People Per Hour, you can see £100, £290, £250. They have a huge market for ebooks, and especially because the ebook market is so popular right now, with so many people getting smartphones and iPads and Kindles and other tablets, that many people want to read ebooks, and therefore people want to buy ebooks, and this program allows you to do it super easily. So you can even start from scratch and write content yourself, or copy and paste content directly into your pages. So if you want to edit, they definitely do offer editing options. And then finally, for step 3, it says to customize and publish. So you can choose a color theme and customize it. You can add, delete, edit pages, headlines, everything. So you can tailor the product specifically to your customers. So if someone wants a specific logo or something on their cover page, you can definitely add that in super easily. You can give them every color option that they want. You can take out words. You can add like different words that they'd want to add. If they wanted to promote something in their ebook, you can definitely do that for them. It's super easy. And the best part is that it's really cheap. So it's not that expensive to buy this program. And in fact, they even have a $20 off coupon right now. I believe that Scribble is normally $67. I'll try to find that for you guys right now. You can see here you can get Scribble for just $67 today. But if you even add on this coupon code, which they usually have running, they have different promotions running all the time, so you can definitely get it for less than that too. So $20 minus from $67 is $47. That's really cheap, and especially because you're going to be making it all back once you sell even just one ebook. Just one ebook is enough to make a profit, and like I said, it's super cheap, so it's a really easy way to make money. And it also doesn't end, because there's always going to be a market. It's a growing market, and I feel like this will last for a long time. So yeah, this is it, guys. I'll put this in the description below. It's super easy to use. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximize your income online and at home.